Hello students, paper analysis of arithmetic progression from 2009 to 2013. There are three exercises as per the current syllabus. One is AP basic concept, second one nth term of an AP, and third one is sum of first n terms. You can expect questions from the first exercise. If an AP is given, find the next three terms or verify whether it is an AP or not. If three terms are given, find the unknown value. That type of problem you can expect from first concept. And second concept, nth term of an AP, so in which you can expect section B and section C. If any two parameters are given, find the particular term, find the middle term, which is the first negative term, which term is the first negative term, is there a particular number belongs to AP or not, and what is the last term, and application sums based on nth term. So you can expect around 63 questions from nth term formula, and most important exercise is sum of first n terms. So in section B 22 questions, section C 37 and section D 34. So this is a very important section. 34 questions, 37 questions and 22 questions. So most of the section D questions are word problems. So you have different collection of word problems in problems related with SN, and in 2 mark question, if nth term is given, find SN, or if SN is given, find nth term, or what is the sum of first 10 multiples of 5, leaving the remainder something. That type of question you can expect in section B. And section C you can expect small word problems and direct problems, whereas in section D you can expect all the tough word problems and lengthy sums you can expect in this. So concentrate more on nth term as well as sum of first n terms. So around 184 question, nearly 50% only from sum of first n terms, around 1/3 of the questions from nth term. So nth term of an AP. So very important exercise as per this paper analysis. SN is the first preference and TN is second preference, and third one is basic concept of an AP. If you follow this paper analysis, you can easily get full marks in arithmetic progression. Good news for students of class 8 to 10 CBSE and State Board. If you are preparing for board exam or JEE or NEET, so join our Telegram channel Marvel classes for free sample papers and short tricks videos and sample papers for annual exams. Also join our Telegram channel exclusive for math question papers and math videos. And if you want to check concepts through videos, join our Telegram channel for mathematics Marvel Maths, for science subject Marvel classes. If you want in videos in Tamil, Marvel classes Tamil. Here the videos are only in Tamil. For English, science subject Marvel classes, and in Marvel Math you can watch concept based videos, problem solving videos, exam tips videos and paper analysis videos. So if you subscribe that video, you can easily get all board support videos. Subscribe our YouTube channel, also join our Telegram channel. Thank you.